Hi, it's Lisa, and in this video I want to show you how to open and edit an HTML file using the text editor. First I want to show you that I have the About Me folder, and it's open, and I have the files index.html and monalisa.jpg. This is the web page, and this is the graphic that's included inside the web page. If I go to a web page, any file here with the .html extension, and I double click, watch what happens. Notice it opens up in a browser, and this is because any file that has a .html extension is by default file typed to open in a browser. The thing is, though, that this web page can be edited, but you have to get access to the code, and you can't just double click to open it up. If you want to get access to the code, what you can do is first open an editor and then do a file open to open up this file. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and open up Notepad++, which is the editor I installed. And you can see I opened the file earlier, so it came back up. It remembered that. But normally when you first open it, it will open up with a blank page. When you want to open a file, you simply choose File, Open, and navigate and find that file. Here's index.html. And this time when I open it up, it opens up the code rather than launching it in the browser. So once I've got it open in the editor, I can make changes. And I'll notice here that in this editor, the tags are all of these things in blue. They're the things with the less than and the greater than symbols, but they're in blue, so it's easy to see since it's a color-coded editor. I'm going to change this down here. Hello, my name is, and I'm going to say Johnny Appleseed. I won't miss the title up here too. I'm going to say About Johnny Appleseed. So this is what I want you to do in this assignment. All websites have as their foundation HTML, this code here, and so it's important to learn a little bit at least about this code, even if you'll be using a more visual editor in the future. Nothing beats knowing a little bit about the code, so if you ever need to troubleshoot, you can. And you will need to troubleshoot. Alright, I've made a few changes, and I've gone ahead and saved those changes. And I'm going to go back to the browser where I had this open. And I'm going to go ahead and hit the refresh button. And you'll see, boom, there it's starting to change. Now it says, hello, my name is Johnny Appleseed. I also changed the page title, which shows up here in the tab. So now it says About Johnny Appleseed. So what I do is I continue to make changes back here in the code. I'll say I'm originally from, I'm not sure if he was born in the United States. I'll say England. I'll probably have to look that up. So I'm originally from England, and I'm going to go ahead and hit save. So I make some changes. I hit save. I go back to the browser, and I refresh or hit my F5 key on my keyboard. And when I do, you can see those changes get made in the code. So that's what you'll be doing for part of this assignment. Going to the editor, making a few changes to the content, jumping over to the browser and refreshing to make sure that you see those changes and they show correctly on the page. That's it.